2 bottles. So we need to put water here because in the long run you keep refilling, especially if this is 0. Now we only have 250, so it doesn't matter. But it is below 100. You fill up this one without water. You try to fill the cylinder, it becomes hot. This is what we call the physical reaction, you know, in our early days physics class.
Yes, yes.
So the atoms will start dancing inside the cylinder, and then it creates friction. Then there might be a tendency, I don't know if they are exaggerating the story, but because of the atom reaction inside this temperature will increase, it would expand the bottles and it might be shattered into pieces.
Yeah.
So the best way to do is to use this tub, put water in it. In case of real emergency, who cares for the seawater? There's a fire hose outside and a fire hydrant. Fill it halfway and then bring it a little bit closer. Okay. Just for a sec. First step, of course, what we need is an electric power. Put this one like this. It's very easy, just like plugging your electric fan at home or any of your appliances, and put this one on. Okay. Next is this one. Normally it looks like this, and put one this in on position. Now you have to attach here the same way that we put this,
Harness.
that put it in harness, and you have to lower this lever, and that's the time you will open the bottle. So what you see, the same gauge, the same amount of the air when we take it out. So you can do it in order to save time. You can do it 2 bottles at the same time, the same way, attach and screw. Give it. I'm a dyslexic, you know that. I don't know it's screw or unscrew. Okay. Then the same way, close the valve. I don't know, you call it valve. Then open the bottle. Then the content will synchronize, and for your operation, once it reaches to 300 bars, it would stop by itself. But someone told me that I don't have to wait for that because it might destroy the machine. So once you see 300,
Cut it off.
stop it.
Yeah.
So for the first 2 pairs of bottles that you use, you have to be a patient a little bit because it would take time to build a pressure. But once it started to building a pressure, then 2 minutes, maybe if you have, let's say 80 bars left in 2 to 3 minutes time, it will be easily get full. Then take another one and another one and another one. The same sequence. But anyway, the instruction is here step by step. Hold that blue mark over there. Same temperature with that. So it's building up a pressure, did you notice?
Yeah.
cylinder anyway. We have two air filling stations. This is the main one, leg 8 up. But in case of emergency that we could not access here, maybe the fire or damage is here, then you have moved to secondary air filling station in leg 13, which I will show you later.
Almost.
Boss. Okay. This off. Then
Close the
you
knob.
have to close the valve of the BA bottles and then
Wall close.
release the pressure. Because if you don't do that, even you're using a wrench,
It will not open.
it will not open. And see?
Yeah, now easily you can.
Yeah. So it's very easy, guys. It's not a rocket science.
This need to zero, yeah?
Yeah, and then once you're done with the operation, don't forget to switch it off.
Off.
And also
Remove the plug.
I remember one of these guys before, he forget to switch off. Then I'm patrolling at night. I don't know what happened, but maybe there's a ghost. This machine is running by itself.
Oh my god.
Itself.
Yeah. Luckily, I passed by. So, I said, oh crap. Maybe if I did not, then I will be in trouble with these engineers because,
This machine will be
yeah,
kaput.
machine will be kaput. That's true.
Thank you.
Okay? So, any further questions? Clarifications? Nothing?
All okay.
Yeah.
Your side is
Clear?
explained very well.
Yeah.